Okay. So a tally chart has little tallies or marks for each vote. And whenever we get 5 votes, we make a bundle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go across. So then we can count by 5s, and that makes it easier to count rather than having to count every little tally. So here is a chart. It says favorite dessert, dessert and tally, cake, ice cream, pudding, cookies. It tells me how many tallies for each dessert. So what is the title of this tally chart? What is the name of this tally chart? Emsley, what is the name of it? Okay, favorite dessert. Favorite dessert. How many students selected ice cream? I want you to write the number there. Look at ice cream and tell me how many people got ice cream. Find the number. The number. How many students selected ice cream? Go to ice cream and tell me how many voted for ice cream. Did more students select cookies or cake? So I look at cake and I look at cookies. Which one was more? Cake or cookies? Write the word. Write cake or write cookies. Which one had more? Number 2 is how many students selected ice cream. Look at ice cream and tell me the number. Number 3, did more students select cookies or cake? Look at cake and look at cookies. Which one was more? Write the word, cake or cookies. That one's not a number. It's asking which one. Cake or cookies had the most. Number 4, which dessert did the fewest number of students select? So which cake, ice cream, pudding, or cookies? Which one had the fewest or smallest or least number of votes? Write the word. Which dessert did the fewest? Fewest means the least or smallest. Which one had the lowest number? That's what fewest means. Write the word. Write cake, ice cream, pudding, or cookies. Okay, let's check and see if you got it right. How many students selected ice cream as their favorite? Gracie? 6. Did more students select cookies or cake? Cake and cookies. Well, cake had 9. I can write the number there. Cookies had 10. 5, 10. So which one had the most? Cooper? Cookies. So I would write cookies. Another thing that's helpful is to write the numbers. So I'm going to finish writing the numbers there. Okay, so which dessert did the fewest numbers? Which one has the smallest number? Kinsler? Pudding. Pudding only had 3. Boys and girls. Okay, let's go down to the next graph. Favorite sport: soccer, basketball, football, or baseball? Let's write the numbers down. Soccer has 4. Basketball has how many, Sydney? 4. Football has how many, Cooper? 11. Baseball has how many, Blaze? 8. It's helpful to write the numbers. Okay, which 2 sports received the same amount of votes? Write both of them here. If you have to write kind of one on top and one on bottom, you can. Which 2 sports had the same amount of votes? Number 5, which 2 sports received the same amount of votes? Write the names of both of them. You have to write small there. Which 2 sports got the same votes? Which 2, Emsley? Right, soccer. So I'm going to write this one kind of at top and then basketball at the bottom here. So I can fit them both in there. Soccer and basketball. Okay, on number 6, which sport received the most votes? Write the name of the sport that had the most votes. Which one had the most? What's that answer, Emma? Football. Yeah, football. Okay, how many votes did baseball get? How many votes did baseball get? Write the number here. Write the number here. No, it says how many votes. Well, yeah, you can write the word of the number, yeah. Chase? 8. 8 votes. Okay, turn it over. Mrs. Jones surveyed his class to see what their favorite vacations were. He found that 7 students choose amusement park. So we're going to do 7 tallies. 7 tallies for amusement park. What their favorite vacation was. Water park, amusement park, camping, or sports game. So 7 said amusement park. 10 said water park. Five students voted for camping. And the same amount voted for sports games. So same 5. So there are my tallies. 7 for amusement park, 10 for water park, 5 for camping, and the same as camping for sports games. Okay, number 1. What is the title of this tally chart? Write it down. What is the name of this tally chart? Go ahead and write it down. The name of this chart. What's the name of it? The names are always at the top. Number 2, what 2 vacations did the same amount of students select? Which ones have the same number? Write them. Which 2 ones had the same number? Water park, amusement park, camping, or sports game? Which one? 2 of them had the same. Number 3, did more students select a water park or camping? Which one did they pick the most? Water park or camping? Here's water park, here's camping. Which one got picked the most? Write it here on the line. Which one got picked most? Water park or camping? Number 4, which vacation did the most students select? Which one has the most votes? Water park, amusement park, camping, or sports game? Which one had the most votes? And then number 5, how many students voted in all? So it's helpful to write the numbers there. 10, 7, 5, and 5. You have to add up all of those or count all the tallies and tell me how many students voted all. So you count by 5s with the tallies and the 1s, or you can add the numbers together and tell me how many voted in all. You can count them, all the tallies, or you can add up the numbers. Number 4 is what vacation did the most students select?